Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix sound problem on Windows 7. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is click on start button. Select here computer and right click on it and click here manage option. After that click here device manager option and select here sound video and gaming controller option and select here this option update driver software. Click on it and click here search automatically option and close this window. Okay, after that right click again and click here update driver and software and select here this second option. Let me pick select this option and click on next button. Select this and click on next button. Click on yes. Okay, and close this window. After that close this window. Click again start button and type here under search option run. Click here run and type here services.msc and click on OK button. After that guys select here audio Windows audio option. Right click on it and click on restart. Okay, again select this service and click here restart. Click on yes and check your problem is fixed or not. Now close this window. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Click on start button and select here computer. Right click on it and click here manage. Click again device manager option. Now expand sound video and gaming controller. Right click on it and click here disable option. Click on yes. Now again right click on it. Click here enable option. Okay, now right click again this option and click here uninstall option. Click on OK. Now again click here Windows 7 PC this option. Okay, and right click on it and scan for hardware changes. Click on it. Your audio driver will installed here. Now check your system volume. Now close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. Now right click on this audio icon and click here open volume option and check uncheck this option. Okay, you notice this after check uncheck your problem is fixed here. Now right click on again this audio icon and click here volume control option. Click here speakers. This setting should be check here. Click on OK. Okay, click on sound here. Your settings should be same here. Okay, check this option. If this option is unchecked, check this option. click on OK and restart your Windows 7. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.